Hi everyone, John Clark here. I wanted to go through some big features that are going to be coming to the toolkit. Okay, finally, let's look at gift cards. So you can now sell and accept gift cards for your business. This will be available on the Grow Plan or anybody that has payments enabled. So if we go over here to the toolkit, under payments, you'll see this new piece here called gift cards. We create a gift card. We'll just call this demo gift card for now. Description. Let's see, guide recipients how to redeem their gift card. You can add your terms and conditions here so they understand that. Maybe there's no expiry date. This is where you could upload custom artwork. So if you had that stuff kind of in Canva, we'll just use this image for now. Okay, so we need to change the size of this. Let's see. All of these are too big right now, unfortunately. But you'd be able to do that, or we can just create a gradient. Let's just go with that. Why not? You can add all of the denominations that you want. Tax, if you have those. You don't need this. Let's just call it a birthday category. And then you have your different denominations. This is what the gift card would look like, the different values. And then you have this here, and then you'll be able to embed this on your website. You can send these directly to customers, or if you click on sell, it'll generate a link for you, or embed code so people can purchase these, and then you can kind of see exactly what the purchase would look like. I will say that this is the very early stages of this, so this will continue to grow and get better over time. But this has been this has been a feature that many people have been looking for, and so this is coming soon. It allows people to, again, purchase this for different people, and then you'll be able to see all of the sold gift cards inside of here, and then people can redeem those. They can either bring it with them, or it'll be tied to a contact. And after they purchase it, you would have documentation on who has purchased and who hasn't. The toolkit continues to grow. We hope that everybody's getting as much value out of it as possible. And as these features continue to grow, it gives you more tools to make getting in touch with your clients a lot easier.